Hello everyone, it's Neil. Today let me show you how to connect our GLM series battery with our SPI model hybrid inverter. 2 batteries and 2 inverters in parallel. So let us see how it's connected. This is the master battery and we connect the power cable to the combined box. This is the slab battery. We connect the power cable from the battery port to combined box. Then from the battery box, connect to the master inverter battery port and also connect the power cable to the slab inverter battery port. For the battery communication cable, we connect from the master battery output to the slab battery input. Then we use the BMS cable connect the master battery IS485 port to the master inverter BMS port. Next, we will see how it connect for the 2 inverters. This is grid input. Line 1, line 2, and neutral. And we connect from the main breaker to the sub breaker. From here to the master inverter grid port. From the second sub breaker to the slab inverter grid port. This is the cable from the master inverter load port. And this is the cable from the slab inverter load port. These 2 pairs cable from the 2 inverters, they connected in parallel. Line 1 parallel, line 2 parallel, neutral parallel. For the inverter parallel cable, from the parallel B port to parallel A port. So now the connection is done. Next step, we will turn on the system. So first let us turn on the battery breaker and the BMS switch, turn on the slab inverter and the BMS switch. And then let us turn on the inverter, master inverter and the slab inverter. So next step, let us do the settings. We press the menu and go to parameter setting. Just enter set IS485 port. Choose WW protocol. Yes. You can see now the current protocol is WW. Let us set the slab battery. And next step, let us set the DIP switch. For the master battery, we set the number 1 to on state. For the second battery, we set the number 2 to the on state. For the inverter setup, let us set the parallel battery. We press setting button and go to 31. And here we press the enter to set parallel, but now it cannot be chosen. So before setting, now we need to turn off this button, turn off the inverter button. After the button turned off, then we can set it to parallel. Press enter to confirm. Then back to after setting, then we turn on the button again. Let's do the setting of the slab inverter. Press the setting. Press setting. Go to 31. Press enter. Now it cannot be chosen. So let us turn off the slab inverter button. Then we can set to the parallel and press enter to confirm. Okay, then back to after that, then we turn on the button again. Okay, now the inverter parallel set. Let us see for the master inverter. After it set, it will show master. We can see the parallel setting is successful, and the inverter is output voltage. It works. Next step, we will set the battery parameter on the master inverter. I press the setting button and go to 08. Press enter and choose LFP16. Press enter to confirm. And go to and go to 32. Choose 485 and to confirm. Then go to 33. Choose WOW. Yeah, press enter to confirm. And now you can see the battery is lithium battery model. So now the connection and the setting is done. After the master inverter setting, on the slab inverter they also show a lithium battery.